The endocrine system is a body system made up of glands, hormones, and target cells that work together to do two things: control various functions of the body and help the body maintain balance. The glands are located throughout the body and make chemicals called hormones. The word hormone comes from a Greek word that means to excite, and that is exactly what they do. They excite or cause things to happen in other places in your body. There are over 30 hormones busily regulating when you feel sleepy, hungry, or full, the rate you grow, how you react to danger, and much, much more.
Speaking of sleepy, did you know that the average yawn lasts about 6 seconds and is controlled by hormones?
Hormones can reach every cell in your body, but they don't affect every cell, just the cells designed to receive them. They are called target cells, and when the hormones reach them, they take specific actions. The endocrine system is constantly checking the body's condition and releasing hormones when needed to start and stop actions.